In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate factorials and binomial coefficients on the Casio FX-CG50. For more tutorials on this calculator, visit parkermaths.com/CG50. So to evaluate factorials, we need to go into Run Matrix mode by pressing 1. Then we're going to evaluate 8 factorial, so we type in the value first, and then we press Option. We want the next menu. It's not on this first set of menus, so we press F6, and then it's in the probability functions here, so F3, and then we press X factorial, which is F1. Pressing EXE will evaluate 8 factorial, 40,320. If you've finished with the functions in this menu, we press Exit to get out of this menu, and then we press Exit again to get back to the standard menu in Run Matrix mode. Next, we'll look at evaluating binomial coefficients. We'll evaluate 12, choose 7. We first enter 12. Then we go into the same menu as before, so Option, next set of menus, Probability, and this time we choose nCr, which is F3. Then you put in the second value, 7, and you press EXE, 792. So that's how to evaluate binomial coefficients.